Situated on the shores of Swan Bay, the Bellarine Railway is one of Victoria's most scenic heritage railways, and the day I visited was a particularly special one, with something that hasn't happened in many years: 2 heritage trains operating on the same day, crossing paths at the historic Lakers siding. This crossing isn't just operationally significant, it shows the Bellarine Railway operating as a complete railway, with passenger services running across the line once as they much did. The Bellarine Railway opened in 1879 under the Victorian Railways, primarily to serve Queenscliff Fort. Over the years it carried fish, tourists and shell grit to become a vital part of the region. The line closed in 1976, but just 3 years later it was reborn when the Geelong Steam Preservation Society re-gauged and reopened the railway, and for the past 49 years passengers have enjoyed the stunning scenery around Swan Bay and the rolling hinterland towards Drysdale.
Lakers siding is really the operational heart of the Bellarine Railway. We started doing all our maintenance and restoration at Queenscliff, and then we've moved to here in around 2009 where we built this lovely, big, beautiful shed. And since then we've progressed onwards. So this is our 1918 built Andrew Barclay locomotive Pozieres, which we've been working on over the last 4 years. It's had extensive work in the inner firebox. We've done a lot of work to the boiler tubes, ground stays. The front ends had a lot of work. The tanks have been pretty much completely rebuilt. It was really a star performer here from 2010 onwards, so we're really looking forward to having it back in traffic. And the other things we're working on at the moment is our beautiful Tasmanian carriage ABL 14, which is undergoing a lift exam. ABL 14 has also worked here since the 80s, and it's been good to give it a proper once over, which we've never been able to do when they live out in the salt air till now. Once we finish ABL 14, we're going to move on to Fyansford locomotive number 6, which is 128 years old this year. We've got a few little things planned around that this year we're very excited to announce. But that boiler has been hydroed and we've finished off the bottom end, so we just got to finish putting it back together and then we can move on to other things. Once we've finished with number 6, we're looking forward to starting number 4, the other Fyansford locomotive that has run in recent times. That locomotive it was pretty much extensively worn out through being the star performer of the railway here through the 2000s. So that's going to require some serious money to do some cylinder boring. We need to do a wheel turn, rebuild the suspension in it. And then we've got our boiler maker, Hoss, who's going to come down and do some work on the inner firebox and the tubes. But we're looking to fundraise for that. So if you could help us get number 4 back on the rails, that'd be amazing. It really is a star locomotive in our heart here. Donations for the railway are on our website under the Donate to Us page, and that goes to our museum account. And that's where we stockpile all of the money to our little projects. ASG is a great one, Steam Crane. Those are projects that have been funded through people donating mainly, and then we put those dollars to work here and give everyone something they can come and see and ride and view. We're also home to the Blues Train and the Q Train. They're our long-term partners who share the rails with us here on the beautiful Bellarine Peninsula. And we host 3620 here at Lakers Siding, and obviously the Blues Train is diesel hauled by one of our vintage English electrics or steam hauled with T251. The Blues Train runs every weekend through October through to April, and the Q Train runs 5 days a week all year round, steam and diesel haul. Both trains utilise our entire line and they offer 2 very different experiences. The Blues Train gives you 4 30-minute music sets of different genres, different performers, and they rock and roll their way to Drysdale. The Q Train offers a more relaxed 5-course dining experience that everyone can just enjoy and take the scenery in. Our more family-focused offerings are the Polar Express, which runs every year in December, and our Day Out with Thomas events, which we run in April and October. Tickets for both events sell out really quickly, so if you're interested in either event, check out our socials or join our mailing list. Grab yourself a ticket for a great family day out. Whether you're looking to volunteer, visit or just even help donate. You know, there's space for everyone at the Bellarine Railway, and we'd love to see you come down.
So if you'd like to experience the Bellarine Railway for yourself, consider booking a ticket, becoming a member, checking out their website for all the appropriate information, which of course, I'll have linked in the description below. Anyway, once again, thank you all so much for watching, and we'll see you again really soon. Hooroo!